Hello, everyone. Good night. Welcome to another session of Talk with Chatgpt. Today's topic is very powerful and very important. The topic is how to overcome self doubt and build confidence. Almost everyone feels self doubt at some points in life. We ask ourselves question like, "Am I good enough? Can I really do this? What if I fail?" Self doubt can stop us from trying new things, speaking in public, or chasing our dreams. But the good news is confidence is a skills and it can be built. In the session, we talk about why we feel self-doubt, how it affects our lives, and most importantly, how we can become more confident. Let's begin. So, wait a minute. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hello, how's it going? What's on your mind today?
I want to take an interview for 10 minutes. The topic is how to overcome self-doubt and build confidence.
That sounds like a great topic. I can definitely help you prepare some questions or outline the flow of the interview. Let me know what kind of approach you're looking for, and we can dive right in.
Okay, my first question is, what is self-doubt in simple words?
That's a great starting question. It's simple and will help set the tone. You could also follow up by asking how self doubt typically affects people or what are some common triggers. Let me know if you want more ideas or if you have any other questions in mind.
Yes. My next question is, why do people start doubting themselves?
That's a fantastic follow up. You could explore reasons like past experiences, societal pressures, comparison with others, or even fear of failure. You could also dive into how upbringing and personal insecurities play a role. If you need more questions or a deeper dive, just let me know.
Yes, good answer. My next question is, how does self-doubt affect our success and happiness?
Absolutely. That's a great angle to explore. You can talk about how self doubt can lead to procrastination, lower motivation, and even missed opportunities. It can also impact mental well being and relationships. It's definitely a rich topic to delve into. If you need more details or specific angles, just let me know.
Yes. What is the confidence and why is it important?
That's another key question. You can define confidence as a belief in one's abilities and judgment. It's important because it helps people take risks, overcome challenges, and pursue their goals more effectively. It also contributes to overall well being and positive relationships. If you want to dive deeper into how to build confidence, we can definitely cover that too.
Okay. My next question is, can anyone become confident or it's natural?
That's a really interesting question. You can explore the idea that confidence can definitely be developed over time through practice, positive experiences, and self reflection. While some people might have a natural inclination toward confidence, everyone can build it with the right mindset and strategies. It's definitely an empowering topic to discuss.
Okay, good answer. My next question is, what is the first step to building self-confidence?
That's a great question to include. You could talk about how the first step often involves self awareness, like recognizing and acknowledging one's strengths and areas for growth. Setting small, achievable goals and celebrating those successes can also help build confidence gradually. It's definitely a nice foundational point to cover.
Okay, my next question is, how can positive thinking help in reducing self-doubt?
That's a wonderful question to explore. You can discuss how positive thinking can shift one's mindset, helping to counter negative self talk and build resilience. Positive thinking can also improve self esteem and encourage a more optimistic outlook, making it easier to overcome self doubt. It's definitely a powerful tool in building confidence.
Okay, my next question is, how does taking a small action build confidence?
That's a great point to highlight. You can explain that taking small, manageable actions helps create a sense of accomplishment and progress, which gradually boosts self belief. Each small success builds momentum, making it easier to tackle bigger challenges and reinforcing confidence over time. It's all about building that positive cycle.
Okay, my next question is how important is learning from failure?
That's an excellent question to include. You can discuss how failure is actually a valuable learning opportunity, helping people identify what works and what doesn't. It also fosters resilience, adaptability, and ultimately builds confidence as one learns and grows from those experiences. It's definitely a key aspect of building long term success and confidence.
Okay, good answer. My next question is how can we stop comparing ourselves with others?
That's a really important question. You can talk about focusing on personal growth and setting individual goals rather than measuring success against others. Encouraging self awareness, practicing gratitude, and celebrating your own progress are all helpful strategies. It's also good to remind ourselves that everyone has their own unique journey. It's definitely a topic that resonates with many people.
Okay, good answer. My next question is what daily habits can help improve confidence?
That's a fantastic question. You can talk about habits like setting daily goals, practicing positive affirmations, maintaining a healthy routine with exercise and proper sleep, and engaging in self reflection. Additionally, consistently stepping out of your comfort zone and celebrating small victories each day can really help boost confidence over time.
Okay, my next question is what is one powerful mindset to defeat self doubt?
That's a really impactful question. You can highlight the growth mindset, which is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. Embracing challenges, viewing setbacks as learning opportunities, and focusing on progress rather than perfection are all powerful mindsets to combat self doubt. Definitely helps shift perspective and build resilience.
Okay, my last question is what message would you give to someone who feels weak and afraid?
That's a really compassionate and thoughtful question. You can encourage them by reminding them that it's okay to feel vulnerable and that it's a part of the human experience. You can also emphasize the importance of self compassion, seeking support from others, and taking small steps forward, letting them know that they're not alone and that growth is a journey can be really uplifting. It's definitely a powerful message of encouragement.
Okay, self doubt is normal, but we should not let it control our lives. Confidence grow when we take actions, believe in ourselves, and keep learning. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Thank you for being part of the session of Talk with ChatGPT. See you in the next session with another powerful topics. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much, ChatGPT.
That was beautifully put. I'm really glad I could help, and it sounds like it's going to be a fantastic session.